Let's get started. In this part, we will learn how to cut the parts from the sprue and prepare them properly so they are smooth and ready for painting. Normally, parts are not perfectly smooth straight from the factory. There are always marks left from the production process, and one of the main things we need to remove is called the gate. The gate is the connection point between the sprue and the part itself. It exists because of the injection molding design. Tools you will need. Nippers. Model nippers are designed specifically to cut plastic parts from the sprue easily and cleanly. Cutter or art knife. Masking tape. Sandpaper for modeling, usually in grits 600, 800, 1000, and 2000. You can also use sanding sponges or cloth sandpaper, which are even better for control. Let's begin cutting. Here you can see the part still attached to the sprue. We will cut only at the gate and not too close to the part itself. Leave a small gap between the sprue and the part. This connecting area is what we call the gate. We cut here first, leaving a little extra material. That's perfectly fine and actually safer. If we cut too close to the part, the blade may bite into the surface and damage it. Now, this is the part after the first cut. Let's continue cutting the remaining parts. We usually cut out parts that will be painted the same color together. Here, these are all the parts that share the same color and have been cut from the sprue. Next, we remove the remaining excess gate material. We cut it down and then use sandpaper to smooth the surface. The difference with model nippers is that the blade is sharp on only one side. This allows the cut surface to be straighter and cleaner. Which nipper should you use? Honestly, both budget and expensive nippers work fine, because in the final step we will still use sandpaper to finish the surface anyway. In this step, we cut the remaining gate closer to the part, then make a straight clean cut like this. This results in a sharper and smoother finish as shown here. After cutting, it's a good idea to place the parts in a container so they don't get lost. In this example, we align the blade flat and parallel to the surface of the part, then cut in one clean motion. You'll notice there is still a small mark left here. That's totally fine. We can remove this easily with sandpaper. Next, we will sand the remaining gate marks using sandpaper to achieve a smooth, clean surface, ready for painting. Let's move on to that step.
No prior experience in scale model building is required. Build a complete 1/24th scale model car from start to finish. Prepare and clean plastic parts for professional results. Apply primer and base coats correctly for model car painting. Learn how to mix and spray 2K clear coat for a deep, glossy finish. Polish model car bodies to achieve a deep, mirror-like shine. Complete the final assembly and presentation of a professional-looking model car. Learn with high-definition videos and clear voice narration in every lesson. Join us now and develop your skills to build more realistic model cars.